Look at this truck bed filling with rain. An exposed bed faces three constant threats: severe weather, cargo theft, and highway wind drag. Over time, those threats drain your wallet. You end up dealing with ruined tools, waterlogged gear, and a steady loss of fuel efficiency from air trapping against the tailgate. Fixing this introduces a massive price gap. You can spend $180 on an entry-level softcover, or you can drop upwards of $480 on a premium hardshell. Generic top 5 lists won't help you navigate that gap. The ideal cover depends entirely on what you do with your truck every single day. Your decision ultimately comes down to one structural trade-off. You have to choose between investing in maximum physical security or optimizing for your budget and how fast you need to reach your gear. If structural security is your priority, fiber-reinforced plastic, or FRP, hardcovers are the answer. Models like the Tonneau King and YITAMOTOR are built specifically for this. Inside an FRP panel, a geometric hexagonal honeycomb core sits between aluminum outer layers. Used in aerospace, this maximizes strength while keeping weight manageable. When pressure is applied from above, the load disperses evenly, translating to a 450-pound capacity for stacking heavy gear. That rigid exterior provides a significant anti-theft advantage. A determined thief can quickly slice right through a standard vinyl softcover with a sharp utility knife, but they cannot slash through hard plastic and aluminum. When you pair these reinforced panels with a locking tailgate, your truck bed functions as a secure, enclosed container that protects your gear from casual theft. By smoothing out the air flowing over the bed, these rigid shells reduce the bucket effect that creates wind drag at high speeds. For highway drivers, this aerodynamic profile can help lower fuel consumption over long distances. There are daily friction points, though. These panels are physically heavy to flip open, and when you fold them completely upright to load large items, they completely block your rear window visibility. Paying a $450 premium for an FRP cover makes sense when you understand the mechanics. It is a mandatory security and load-bearing investment for anyone carrying high-value cargo. High-end hardcovers are completely useless if they don't match the exact dimensions of your truck. Fitment is a strict physical constraint. On a specific truck's bed rail wireframe, evenly spaced mechanical clamps lock directly into the inner edge. Because this placement is perfectly tailored, a thick rubber seal compresses tightly against the steel rail, creating a continuous waterproof barrier that generic covers struggle to match. This precision is why models from YITAMOTOR and Calffree require you to verify your exact bed length down to the decimal before buying. Warning tone: if your truck currently has cargo racks or a utility track system installed, you will likely have to permanently remove them to accommodate a hard trifold. Building a drill-free, watertight security vault requires compromise. You accept strict model constraints and sacrifice universal accessory compatibility to get that perfect fit. If you don't need a heavy shell, the budget-friendly softcover market offers different advantages. The Amazon Basics roll-up is a prime example. There is a misconception that affordable softcovers sag and collect water. In reality, they use a 6063 grade aluminum crossbar frame to keep the material properly tensioned across the bed. The roll-up mechanism is incredibly fast. Unclamp the rear and roll the material toward the cab, gaining full immediate access to the entire truck bed. Another approach to access is the KUIPERAUTO quad-fold design. Instead of the standard 3 panels, it uses 4. 4 panels give you significantly more modularity. You can fold back 1 or 2 sections to expose part of the bed for odd-size cargo without having to open the entire cover. These soft covers feature OE-grade Q-seals and double-sided vinyl construction to keep the rain out and handle daily UV exposure. The vulnerability is obvious. A soft cover provides zero defense against a determined thief with a utility knife. Soft covers are precision-designed for a specific user: the high-frequency accessor who prioritizes loading speed and cargo flexibility over vault-like protection. Generic review scores won't tell you what to buy. You need to weigh the exact dollar value of your cargo against how frequently you reach into your bed. Consider our first profile, the heavy-duty defender. These are the contractors and tradespeople hauling heavy gear every day. Look at the math on this split screen. If you leave $5,000 worth of tools on a job site overnight, a $450 FRP hardcover, like the Calffree or YITAMOTOR, is mandatory. You pay double the upfront cost of a soft cover, but you gain absolute theft deterrence and the ability to strap additional materials on top of the panels. Our second profile is the high-frequency accessorer. This covers fleet drivers and anyone constantly throwing tall, awkward items in the back. If heavy folding panels slow down your workflow or block your rear window, the Amazon Basics roll-up provides the most direct path to full bed access. Finally, we have the value-driven generalist. Think of weekend warriors hauling mixed loads of mulch one day and sports gear the next. The KUIPERAUTO Quadfold is a balanced middle ground here. It gives you reliable weatherproofing and modular bed access without demanding a premium price tag. Before you order anything, grab a tape measure. Confirm your exact bed length and double-check your truck's specific generation year. Guesses lead to returns. Ignore the internet hype. Audit your personal workflow and invest in the specific cover style that removes daily friction from your life.